welcome to Marvel Twins.
I'm Navisha.
And I'm Arpita.
Today we are gonna do
Unboxing for Canon 80D. So let's get started. Now we'll be unboxing EOS 80D. We've purchased this camera to make better videos for you guys. Kit is from 18 to 135 mm. Here are some of the main highlights of the camera. 24.2 CMOS sensor. Image range is 16,000 and video range is 12,800. 45 points for cross type autofocus. In a frame you can click 7 photos per second. Viewfinder is with 100% coverage. Dual pixel technology. You get an option for Wi-Fi and NFC too.
Now let's see what's in the box. These are the manuals which you get with this camera. Open this.
With this camera you get this lens. It has a range from 18 to 135 and you get the option for autofocus and manual focus and a stabilizer which you can turn on and off and a lock, and you get this lens cap which you can remove it whenever you are shooting. So the other content which you get with this camera is the battery. Battery capacity is 18,065 mAh, which is good for 2 to 3 hours of recording, and it is a removable battery. This is the battery charger which you can connect with this wire and charge your battery, and this is the shoulder strap. This is the main camera unit. Here you get a microphone and an audio jack and a remote shutter. Also you get a USB link which you can connect with your laptops and computers. Here you get a menu button, info button, start stop button, play pause button, zoom in zoom out button, autofocus button and a directional pad, and also you get a scroll wheel here and one is here, and you get a menu navigator, a delete button, and also you'll get various modes from which you can choose, wherein you can create custom mode. There's a manual mode and a screen mode. This can be this you'll understand whenever you use it, and you get 2 slots. One is the battery slot and the other one is the memory slot, and here you can put your straps. These are the hoops.
Thanks for watching. It requires a lot of effort to make these videos, so please do like, share, subscribe to Marvel Twins. Also don't forget to comment down below.